Installation and operation of high vacuum electron beam evaporation coating apparatus. Connect the film thickness meter communication line. Tighten the screws. Connect the power cord to the other end. This is the electron beam control handle. This is the input connector. Connection joints. Tighten the knot. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full, generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the vacuum pump to the power supply. Connect the air compressor power supply and water cooler power supply. After the main power cord of the equipment is connected, turn on the main power switch. Turn on the water cooler power. Turn on the vacuum pump. Power on the device. Turn on the molecular pump power. Turn on the electron beam power. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Click to open the sample stage shutter. Installing the sample. Open the metal evaporation source shutter. Click evaporation source. Click to open. Place the sample into the evaporation source. Open the electron beam shutter. After the sample is placed in the crucible, install the crucible. Close the flap. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to vacuum. When the vacuum drops below 20%, molecular pump can be started. Click to set the sample stage rotation. Set the speed according to your needs. You can click forward. Click to return. Rotating. Click reset before lifting the sample stage. Then set the target coordinates. For example, 50 毫米. The lifting position can be observed through the micrometer. Setting of the film thickness gauge target. Click Settings. Click Select. For example, aluminum. Return. Return. The vacuum has reached below 20%. Click to start the molecular pump. The molecular pump frequency will drop from 400 to 0, then from 0 to 400. Taking metal evaporation as an example. Click Evaporation Monitoring. Now it is manual mode. Setting the evaporation time. For example, 500. Click Start. Adjust the metal evaporation current knob. Adjust to the right size. Evaporating. Now operate in constant current mode. Switch from manual to automatic. Setting the evaporation time. For example, 500. Click to set the current before starting. For example, 60. Click Start. Evaporating. After evaporation, click to close metal evaporation. Before using the control handle, make sure the filament current is at the minimum position. Turn left to minimum. Turn on the electron beam switch. Slowly adjust the filament current. Adjust to 0.4. The filament can be observed to light up. Continue to adjust the filament current. The current should not exceed EE. Adjust X and Y displacement. Make sure the center of the beam hits the center of the crucible. This high voltage has been adjusted at the factory to 60. Do not change it. High pressure maintained at 4.68. After coating is completed, turn off the molecular pump. Wait until this frequency drops to 0. Click to pick up samples. When the vacuum reaches atmospheric pressure, the cavity can be opened. Click on the crucible to select a location. Can switch between different crucibles. Switching. The vacuum now reaches atmospheric pressure. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample.